Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump start kit. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, to prevent injury. Make sure your vehicle is securely in park or neutral with the parking brake firmly set. Also, turn off all non-essential electrical components like your headlights and radio. Finally, confirm your jump start kit has sufficient charge, typically at least 75%, for effective use. Now, let's connect the jump start kit. First, attach the red, positive clamp to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black, negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block, away from the battery. This provides a good ground connection. Double-check that both clamps are firmly attached and not touching each other to prevent short circuits. This careful connection ensures a safe and effective jump start. With the clamps securely in place, it's time to start your vehicle. First, activate your jump start kit. Many have a power button or a boost function. Allow the kit to charge the battery for approximately 60 seconds before attempting to crank the engine. When you try to start, limit each attempt to no more than 5 seconds. If the engine doesn't turn over on the first try, wait for about 2 minutes before making another attempt. This prevents overheating the starter motor. Congratulations, your vehicle is running. Now, it's crucial to disconnect the jump start kit safely. Always remove the black negative clamp first from the engine block. Then, carefully detach the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. Once the kit is removed, let your vehicle run for at least 20 minutes or drive it around to allow the alternator to recharge the battery sufficiently. Finally, it's a good idea to have your battery and charging system checked by a professional soon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.